Hey.
How you doing?
Okay, I'm in my car with me. My neighbor just got mad at me.
Cause why you in their driveway?
Oh my gosh, it was so embarrassing. She was closing her garage. I just fully rode up on her lawn.
I saw.
Don't judge me for not having shoes on. I was raised in the suburbs. Anyways.
Wait, she wasn't raised by me like that. Wait, you were.
I got on shoes, got a hamper, and got a snack. I didn't even introduce myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan. My street don't know I got a channel. I'm Jordan, and welcome back to another Jordan video. So today, as I feel like you can pick up, we are doing a clean my car with me. My car, let's just say,
She a little dirty.
nice from the outside, but on the inside looking in, oh, she bad. And I don't mean good looking when I say bad. I mean, let me show you.
Window?
So when we peek through this automotive, it seems clean enough, right? Oh, windows rolled down. Who peeked in?
I feel like you did that. Oh, Dill.
Yeah.
What's happening back here? Where's the tennis ball from?
From tennis?
You don't play tennis.
How you know?
I'm your mom.
It's from Challengers. So anyways.
She never even seen that movie. The hat?
So my bag.
Let's look in the back
Go
porch.
around to the trunk. Go around to the trunk real quick. Trunk not as bad.
This is where your closet is. This
I
one
just think-
cheer shoe and then the other cheer shoe is.
Don't touch my socks. I happen to be a student athlete. Really hard because I get out of school and I go straight to practice. I go straight to practice. And then I just change my car. And mind you, sometimes I'm not even the only person changing my car. So that's, I got another girl come in because her window don't got as tint. Or I'm my car closer. And then they just changed my car. And then I just happen to have all these clothes back here. But sometimes it serves well because if I come to school not
That's
like
mine.
outfit,
Wait, this is mine.
What?
This is mine.
What?
That is
What you
mine.
want to say about it? Do I look gorgeous in the sun, or is it just giving like?
You're squinting so hard.
Or is it just giving she can't see?
It's giving you can't see because your eyes are squinted. So
Do you know
okay.
blue-eyed people can't look in the sun.
Focus.
I bet they jealous.
You stop.
Don't do that, guys. Oh my god. Wow, I see why they say to don't stare in the sun. I can't see anything. Okay, guys, let's get down to business.
Okay.
Oh, I used this hat when I wanted to be Soldier Boy for school. I put this hat on when it was like throwback day or something like that, and I was Soldier Boy.
Okay.
So I think this is a keeper.
It's a cute hat.
My cheer palms, and I think I can keep them, even though every year they make us buy new palms. HOTTOGO. You can take me hard to go. Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
You just do literally anything.
Mind you, I still have this silver palm. We don't even use this.
You used it, I think, once last year.
We used it once because they were like, if you're a returner and have a silver palm, but they didn't even buy a silver palm.
Wait, are you just leaving them in there?
Well, yes, because look, I have this little pocket that can fit them.
Alright.
I think this one can go.
Where'd you get this one from? Where did that come
This
from?
one is giving like 80s.
But where did it come from is the question.
It came from student council.
Oh, okay.
I took it out of a bin.
Jordan!
So I think now everything.
I don't think you should squish them in there like that.
You should keep this though for games.
Oh, okay. I will. Cheer bell?
Cute, right?
Yeah.
This I can't throw away.
What is this? Why is it half eaten? And then stuffed in the pocket.
I was only half hungry that day.
There you go. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Go, Jordy, go. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
I've been looking for these because I kept using the ones that Draco ripped up. Oh, this is a nice find. I feel like I'm in the Goodwill. I feel like I'm in the Goodwill bins where they like go when you thrifting and you find a good thrift find.
Why are we changing them right now?
Because they match my outfit.
Oh, okay.
But it's hot outside.
Yeah.
I found my school ID.
See, look, talking about, I feel like I don't need to go through this stuff, and then that's all your stuff. That's where everything is at.
This is needed. This hamper.
That is mine.
Oh, Dutch Bro sticker. That's so cute.
I love that.
Shoe, keep. This can go in my backpack that's over here.
Okay.
Okay. Took a break.
You just started.
This is my trunk after all of the hard work. A bag right here. And then I'm gonna take this out before, after. Closed off. That's closed off for business. So we have another palm.
You have 2 more palms. There's a palm.
Oh wow. Oh, it's getting rough in there. So I have 2 more palms and I kind of feel like they can go back seat.
I told you put your stuff in your cheer bag and you said, I don't even use this.
Then we have my multiple cheer bows. Got my other cheer shoe.
I gotta get her some new cheer shoes, y'all.
Why?
Because it's a new season.
Guys.
New season, new cheer shoe.
You know these are just, like they're literally like molded to my feet.
Understandable, but Dylan, it's got a rip.
It's not a rip until the foot is showing, and the foot not showing yet.
I can just buy you the same pair. Just throw the stuff in there and then go through it when you get in the house. Jordan!
Why are there so many of them? Oh guys, I have my Chromebook.
She don't even use that
I
Chromebook.
don't use this. I don't need this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it right here in the back seat just in case.
That's not smart. Now, what if somebody break in your car, they steal your Chromebook?
Yeah, that's hot. Yeah. Another hat.
Why do you have so many things in here?
I have these 2 things from Assemblies. Got a tie-dye shirt that I made. I have a bandana that's from Sheer. Oh, I found a penny. Heads up is good, right?
Yeah.
Good luck. This is staying in my car. You guys might think this is color. This is a car accessory and necessity. Wow, look at that difference. Oh wait, hold on.
What's this for?
That's for glasses if I ever need to see. They're 3D glasses in case something's in 3D.
Like the world?
Just in case of Draco's
never in your car.
If we have an emergency and it's like, oh my god, Draco needs a tennis ball. Or if we're ever like, oh my god, we need a tennis ball. I'm like, wait guys, I have one. We done back here, I fear.
Take your garbage bag.
This whole area is where I put all my desk wrappers. And a neato. How neat is this?
Oh. So.
Can we check? Give me a round of applause for the nails.
Round of applause for the nails.
My nails look like this, so hers can look like this. So then in here, we have this little, oh, my coach gave me this.
This is cute.
As a little, like,
welcome to the team
for varsity. I have like a little touch-up thing where I have like some makeup and touch-up, which I think can definitely stay. And then I have a wrist brace and then a gum and a lot of gum wrappers. And then we have another keychain. I just have so many knickknacks in my car.
Yeah, it gives you room.
Ooh. And I have this Summer Fridays.
Where's the top?
I would love to know too. And since it's getting hot outside, it's looking crazier every day.
I think you should toss it.
But I really mess with having Summer Fridays in my car.
I feel like you should just bring one of your other Summer Fridays.
This is a top or a key.
That's
guys.
a toss for sure, or keep it in the house. I don't think that's a...
Then backpack, of course.
Here, why do you have slime?
Wait, I'm confused. This is my car slime. This one's dried out. No, I picked these slimes specifically because they wouldn't overactivate because they're clay slimes.
Oh.
So look at this one. This is such a car safe slime to have.
I don't...
Passengers get bored, I get bored, and you can just play with the little car slime. So
why are you getting bored whilst driving?
traffic?
No.
Stop
No.
lights,
No.
stop signs.
No.
Four-way
No.
stops. Okay. Drive-throughs. And then I also have perfume in here, just in case things get stinky. I have a duck in here, which can definitely stay, because I feel like it's just good luck.
Mm-hmm.
And then I also have a sunny angel in here, which can also stay, because I fear, again, it's just good luck.
We just
So,
got a toy store.
You know what? I think we're done. I think we did it.
We did it.
My car will clean again. That's all she wrote. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you again next time. And tell me if I forgot anything in my car.
Yeah, I can tell you 10 things you forgot in your car.
What?
Your pom-poms, your Chromebook, your slime, your squishies. Oh.
See? It's my evil eye. Love you.